Hello and welcome to my channel. I bought a camera. I wanted to make my YouTube channel to look better, so I thought, let me invest. I bought a Canon G7X Mark II because I heard the 3 it has a bit of a problem with the blurry vision, blurry videos, and I decided to buy the Mark II because it was a bit cheaper. It wasn't that cheap. I mean, it's kind of pricey. It does its job good, it's really good, and I really like it, and I filmed some videos with it. So now you can see my face clearer. Okay, so my camera is here, and I also ordered an SD memory card with it because I want to start filming right away. This is the box that we have. Excuse my nails, they're really ugly right now, just ignore them. Let's open the box. Whoops. This is what the box contains. This is a cable for a charger. This is the charger. This is just a thing to put it on the side of the camera, the battery, and the most important thing is the camera. And you have some instructions and manuals here. Let's get this out of the way. This is the camera. It has the screen that it's unfolding. It's actually a touch screen, and now I can actually see myself while I'm filming. Okay, so let's cut this baby up and open it. You just press it until you hear a click and it's done. Here you put the battery. If you want to put a battery, you have to push this tiny hook, and then the battery will just slide in. I'm not a tech expert. I'm not that good with this camera. I'm still discovering stuff. I'm still learning how to use it. I will know someday. So now I will show you how my iPhone 8 and my new camera, Canon G7X Mark II, are looking one next to each other. As you can see, the camera is way better. So I'm just gonna make a lot of these tiny clips where I compare my phone with my camera, so you can see my video quality is gonna go up soon. Like I said, I'm not a tech genius, so I'm just gonna do this, comparing my phone with my camera, and I think you can already see the image is different. Okay, so let's film something else that is not my face. So as you can see, the image of this painting is way better on the camera, and the lens is a bit wider. Phone has a lot more light. The image is a bit more grainy, as you can see on the iPhone. So these are my jammies. Okay, so for the camera it takes a while to focus. As you can see, the image is a lot more yellow on my iPhone. Okay, so that was it. I showed you my camera. So after seeing all these videos, I really think this camera is worth the money and is definitely better than my iPhone. Even though I started with my phone, now my image is gonna have a better quality. And I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.